Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix Facebook running copyright scan problem. Let's see how to fix it. For solving this problem, first of all open your settings, scroll down, tap on apps, find Facebook app, tap on storage, tap on clear data, tap on clear cache, OK to confirm, go back to previous page and allow all permission. After completing all permission, go back to home screen and go to Play Store. Tap on search bar. Search here Facebook app. Update your Facebook app if it's available for updates. After completing update process, open your Facebook app and see your problem solved successfully. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.